Alright, do it. Make it loud right in front of me.
What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Marlon here, directly from Munich, Germany. That I'm going to do a short video and show you guys what it's like to go up the Alter Peter. Okay, guys, so the Alter Peter is actually the St. Peter's Church here in Munich, and it's the tower, the St. Peter Tower here, which gives you one of the best views of old Munich, Altstadt, Munich. Once you go up there, you get this incredible view, 360-degree view. You have to pay a small entrance fee of €3 and for adults, and then $1 or €1 for kids. 299 steps all the way up. I'm not sure, it's about 91 meters high. I'm not sure about that part. I'll have to check it, but I'll link that, or I'll put that correct height down below. But yeah, let's get started. Let's go on in there and check it out. I just want to show you what it's like to go up these stairs, or no, to go up the tower here on the St. Peter's Church in Munich.
I have no idea.
Excuse me. Yeah. Out of shape. I'm hurting. Woo. I'm so out of shape. Oh, we're really high already. Look at that. Whoa. Check out the view. Over there you can see the Alps. Check it out.
Wie lange willst du denn noch? I can't do it. How can I go to one? Hold your hands out. Hold your phone. Both your hands. I just see that go with Wahnsinn.
Hier ist halt schon. Ja, der ist sehr kräftig. Das ist der Bäder, oder? Ja, ja. Hier ist ja halt.
There's the Allianz Arena. It's really crowded up here. Gotta kind of move quick. Keep it moving. Alright, so this is it. All the way back down. Probably the best views of Munich are there in the old city anyways. So that's going to do it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Decided to do a short video because when I was coming to Munich, I had a hard time finding videos of things to do in Munich, but this is a cheap and fun thing to do. You know, it takes about an hour maybe if you take your time up there and look around. Again, €3 to get in. Walk up 299 steps, and you've got that nice view of the whole city. So check it out if you're in Munich. If you like it, if you like this video, let me know. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right? Appreciate it. See you.